Top 10 Vietnamese food. Let's see. Bang choy. Number 10. Really delicious. Let's see. Kotam. Number 4. Kotam also good. Bing Bang. Bang Bang number 3. Let's see. Bang Shio. Bang Shio me number 9. Bung Chai. 8. Let's see. Fifi. Number 2. Come on. Katoy. Katoy number 7. Really good. Bululut. Bululut number 6. Bululut very good. Bami. I know Bami. Pasta number 5. And number 1 Chiki Chan.